Let me tell you something real. Most guys get ignored by women for one simple reason. They make themselves easy to ignore. And I get it because I used to be that guy. I'm not going to sit here and feed you some just be yourself nonsense. If yourself was working, you wouldn't be watching this. The truth? Women ignore you because they don't feel anything when they interact with you. No spark, no tension, just meh. But here's the good news, it's fixable. And I'm not talking about some cringe pickup artist tricks. I'm talking about shifting a few key things that immediately make you stand out. Step 1. Stop trying so damn hard. Dude, I've been there. You match with a girl and suddenly you're overanalyzing every text, trying to be funny but not too funny, smart but not too smart. And guess what? She ghosts. Why? Because she can feel you sweating through the screen. Here's what works. Stop caring so much. The second you treat her like she's the prize, you lose. Instead, act like you're the one who's hard to impress. Not in a dick way, just in a I've got options way. Step 2. Own your space. Watch guys who get attention from women. They're not hunched over their phones or nervously laughing at everything. They stand like they belong where they are. So next time you're out, do this. Stand up straight, shoulders back, chest out, no slouching. Slow down your speech. Nervous guys talk fast. Hold eye contact a second longer than feels comfortable. It feels weird at first, but trust me, women notice. Step 3. Actually flirt instead of interviewing her. Most guys talk to women like they're filling out a job application. So, where are you from? What do you do? Cool. Boring. Flirting isn't about interrogation. It's about playfulness. Tease her a little. Challenge her. Say something unexpected. Example, I'm from California. Oh, so you're one of those people who puts avocado on everything. Delivered with a smirk. It's stupid, but it works because it's different. Step 4. Lead the interaction. Women hate indecisive men. If you're texting a girl and it's just, hey, what do you want to do? Back and forth, she's going to lose interest fast. Instead, take charge. We're getting drinks Thursday at 8. Wear something nice. I'm grabbing coffee at this spot. Meet me there. It's not about being controlling. It's about showing you've got a backbone. Look, I'm not saying this will turn you into some dating guru overnight, but if you actually apply this stuff, you'll notice a difference immediately. Women respond to energy, and right now, yours is probably screaming, please like me. Flip that script. Be the guy who doesn't need her approval, and watch what happens. Oh, and if this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and I'll keep dropping more truth bombs. Because let's be real, you're tired of being ignored. Time to change that.